If you have these settings on your phone and you are a new creator, please go and deactivate it. Yes, especially if you're a small creator, you're just upcoming. So I noticed that whenever I upload a video, because I didn't know, I thought it was a good thing. You see so many people, especially when you're just starting out, and you see so many people telling you to turn this on, turn this off, turn this on, turn this off. So someone actually said, okay, go and turn this on, that when you keep posting consistently and you have your subscribers, when you turn it on and you upload a video, that they'll send YouTube will recommend that video to your subscribers first, and they will engage, that it will actually help. So whenever I upload a video, I always leave it on, but I notice that I'm not even getting any views, because especially for me, I started getting subscribers from shorts. Like, I was always posting on shorts before I decided to move into long form kind of video. So I noticed that I was not getting views. Like, I'll post a video 1 week, I'm getting 4 views. I was like, what's going on? Unlike my first videos, that the views are not much, but it wasn't so bad. So until I saw another creator say, go and turn it off, and guys, it actually worked. Like, if you get most of your subscribers from shorts or from live streaming, you know that those subscribers are not the ones that will watch your long form videos. They prefer to watch shorts and live stream. And if you want to delve into long form video, you need to get subscribers for long form video. And if you leave this thing on, if you leave the settings on, and you post your video, those subscribers that you got from short and live stream, they will not watch it. And YouTube will recommend, once you upload a video, YouTube will recommend that video to them. And because they are not interested in a long form video, they won't watch it. And as they are clicking off or they are not watching it, YouTube will just feel like your YouTube is actually not good. But if you turn it off and you upload, your video, YouTube will actually recommend it to a whole new audience. And when they try to find audience that will actually engage your video and they watch it, you keep getting engagement, and you start getting views. So if you know you're struggling with views and you're a small creator, go and turn it off. This setting is only good if you've created a name for yourself, even if you're still a small creator, but at least you have a good number of audience, or maybe you've built your audience through long form ahead, then you can turn it on. When you turn it on, your subscribers will definitely watch your videos. But if you know you've not built that solid subscribers or solid audience, and you're just starting out, or you're just delving into long form video, please go and turn it off, and you definitely see improvements in your videos. So I just thought to share. Thank you so much for watching. This is actually not a long video, so but I just thought to share with you guys my observation. So go and try it, and let me know if you've done it and if it has actually worked for you. And see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.